Professional English for SOC 2. Write Audit-Ready docs fast. Welcome! In this micro lesson, we'll turn your security documentation into Audit-Ready English. The goal is simple. Write clear, defensible narratives that an auditor can test. We'll align your wording with the SOC 2 Trust Services criteria. Keep a consistent, professional tone and focus on evidence, not just intentions. Think like a reviewer. If a sentence makes a claim, can you prove it today? By the end, you'll know how to describe controls precisely, avoid vague promises, and present proof that stands up to scrutiny without sounding robotic or drowning in jargon. Society 2 looks at 5 pillars: security, availability, processing integrity, confidentiality, and privacy. Your controls are the concrete policies, procedures, and proofs that show how you meet those pillars. Auditors verify both design and operation. Is the control sensible, and does it actually run as described? Your job is to explain the what, the control, the how, the process and owners, and the evidence: tickets, logs, reports. Keep each claim testable. If an auditor asked, "Show me," you should know exactly which document, system, or record to open. You'll get templates for policies, standards, procedures, and playbooks, so your documents ladder up cleanly. We include a risk register and control matrix samples to map threats to mitigations. You'll also find evidence request lists and evidence logs to track what was provided and when. Operational records, change, incident, and access are covered with simple forms you can adopt quickly. Each template uses consistent fields: purpose, scope, roles, steps, and evidence. Start with these, customize lightly, and keep terminology stable across all documents to prevent audit drift. Use a reliable flow: context right pointing arrow, control right pointing arrow, process right pointing arrow, evidence. Example: context: we host production in AWS. Control: we enforce MFA for console access. Process: IAM enforces policies. Security reviews monthly. Evidence: IAM policy JSON, review tickets. Write current controls in present tense. We enforce. We monitor. Use past tense for incidents and tests. We investigated. We sampled. Keep one claim per sentence to make testing easy. Drop jargon. Prefer plain verbs and named tools. If a sentence cannot be paired with evidence, rewrite it or remove it. Upgrade vague language with power verbs: implement, enforce, monitor, review, reconcile. Add process verbs: document, approve, escalate, remediate. Pair verbs with concrete action nouns: ticket, log, report, screenshot. Example: we monitor admin logins daily and review alerts weekly. Findings are documented in JIRA tickets. Avoid fuzzy words like handle, usually, some. Instead of "we usually handle access changes," write "we approve access requests via JIRA and reconcile group membership monthly. Variance is remediated within 2 business days." Precision signals maturity. Evidence should answer who, what, and when. Name, source, date, and owner. CloudTrail log, the 12th of March 2025, owned by Security Ops. Cite exact file or ticket IDs so auditors can trace items quickly. JIRA, SEC 2145. Drive, control/access/review-2025-q1.pdf. Sample sizes and frequencies matter. We sampled 25 of 25 admin changes for Q2, Reviews occur monthly. For screenshots, include labels and timestamps, and show relevant filters. Caption them. Okta admin assignments, captured the 1st of June 2025, filtered by admin. If evidence is sensitive, provide a redacted version plus a live demo window. Watch for policies without matching procedures. A promise with no steps is untestable. Avoid controls that are described but not repeatable. Name tools, roles, and triggers so anyone can run them. Don't write future promises like, "We will implement MFA in a current state report." State what exists now, and log future work in a roadmap. Finally, prevent copy-paste misalignments across docs. Roles, frequencies, and tool names must match. If one doc says quarterly and another says monthly, auditors will notice. Do a consistency pass before you share. Practice now. 1. Rewrite one policy using the structure: context, right pointing arrow; control, right pointing arrow; process, right pointing arrow; evidence. 2. Swap vague verbs for precise ones. Replace handle with review, approve, or remediate. 3. Attach two verifiable evidence items. For example, a JIRA ticket ID and a log export with timestamp and owner. Your aim: clear, consistent, testable SOC 2 documents that an auditor can follow without guessing. Save a baseline version, schedule periodic reviews, and keep an evidence log current. Small improvements today make audits faster, calmer, and far more predictable.